Hello, 大家好. Let's read The Night Before St. Patrick's Day. 'Twas the night before St. Patrick, the day to wear green. Not a creature was stirring, except Tim and Maureen. They decked out the den from ceiling to floor, with streamers and rainbows and shamrocks galore. Later, they carefully made traps with gold charms and rings. I bet we catch a leprechaun. They love shiny things. For if they caught one, so legend told, they'd find where he buried his big pot of gold. They set all the traps round the room with great care, in hopes a wee Irishman soon would be theirs. The children then nestled all snug in their beds, while visions of golden coins danced in their heads. "Happy St. Patty's," said Dad early the next morning. Then he started to play bagpipes without warning. He huffed and he puffed an old Irish song. Mom dished out green eggs and sang loudly along. When, from their bedroom, there arose such a clatter, the kids ran down the hallway to see what was the matter. And what to their wondering eyes should appear but a terrible mess. A leprechaun was here. "Be quiet," whispered Maureen. "He's hiding somewhere. When we find him, remember, we must hold his stare. For if you look away, if you so much as blink, leprechauns vanish quick as a wink." The kids trailed muddy footprints back and forth across the floor, which led them under Tim's bed and past the closet door. And then, inside a trap, they heard someone giggling, a real live leprechaun. They both saw him wriggling. His eyes, how they twinkled, his body so tiny. His hand clasped a trinket, so golden and shiny. He was dressed in all green, from his head to his toes, and he looked like a cobbler wearing fairy-sized clothes. The children approached him, staring straight in his eyes. "Tell us where the gold is. Don't be tricky, no lies." "I buried it under a rock, smooth and hard. It's marked with an X right in your backyard." But when the kids went outside with their shovel and pick, they instantly saw it had been a big trick. Happy St. Patrick's Day. "Ha ha, I fooled you. It's time to disappear. Happy St. Patrick's Day to you, and better luck next year." Let's learn some Chinese vocabulary. Wear green. 穿绿色，穿绿色，穿绿色。Rainbow. 彩虹，彩虹，彩虹。Shamrock. 三叶草，三叶草，三叶草。I. 我，我，我。Kids. 孩子们，孩子们，孩子们。St. St. Patrick's Day. 圣帕特里克节，圣帕特里克节，圣帕特里克节。